Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is John, you're watching CarsOMichigan. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best brand new Mustang money can buy. So let's jump right into the video. Alrighty, so on screen here is Ford's brand new FP800S Mustang that they have just released through their Ford Custom Garage program. So if you're thinking to yourself, hey, I want a new Mustang, but I want something that's supercharged for less than $100,000 because obviously I want a 5.0 and I want a handling car, but I don't want to pay $50,000 to $80,000 to get a naturally aspirated car. Well, if that's you, you're in luck. Because with this brand new FP800S package on the Mustang, you can order any package 5.0 GT from the factory. You can get a base model GT 5.0, you can get a premium GT, or you can even get a convertible GT 5.0. And so you're just going to order it and you're going to put this package on it through Ford's Custom Garage. And you can get this package in any color and you can pretty much design it any way you want. Any color, you can get different colored wheels. And it even comes with all these cool different graphics that I will show you as we get more into this video. But let's look at the main highlight of this car. And here it is. So this car, as it's been stated in the name, it comes with this Whipple Supercharger kit that makes 800 horsepower. And it obviously will also come with other engine mods. It comes with this air oil separator kit, and it also comes with other suspension mods because obviously when you add more power, you need beefier suspension, and honestly this could act as a drag car and a track car because it has this upgraded suspension. So this has a half shaft upgrade kit, and it also is lowered from the factory ride height. So there are videos out there of enthusiasts and journalists driving the vehicle. So if you want to see it driving after this video, go search it up on YouTube. You'll see it there. I just got done watching some of the videos and I gotta say I am very impressed. From a launch, it did not spin the tires, and around the track it looked very controlled, like it wasn't gonna spin out or understeer or oversteer. It looked very controlled, and I think this is gonna be the best buy for a Mustang if you want something right now. So as you can see, this is like the bronze package. So this one has the bronze wheels and all the bronze accents on it, bronze lug nuts, and all the cars will come with this FP800S badging. It will have the unique modular grille with the satin black or gloss black and these colored inserts based on obviously what color you get the vehicle. It will have this Ford Performance grille badge. It has this kind of blacked out trunk, kind of like the Dark Horse. So this kind of does resemble the Dark Horse. Obviously you can see the Ford Performance badge, and it has the Dark Horse wing kind of too. So it does resemble a Dark Horse, and it kind of also has the handling of a Dark Horse, and it has 300 more horsepower than the Dark Horse for the same price. And you're probably wondering, okay, well, what is this? What do you mean the same price? This is going to be $18,000 on top of your original MSRP. So if your MSRP is $50,000, this will cost you $78,000. Which is the same pretty much as a spec'd out Dark Horse. As you can see, it also comes with the Ford Performance Extreme Catback exhaust. Again, the Dark Horse carbon fiber spoiler, the carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber hood vent, carbon fiber mirror caps, and Recaro Ford Performance seats on the inside. And honestly, this has got to be the best brand new Mustang for the money. For around 70 grand, you're getting an 800 horsepower supercharged 5.0. You can get it in a manual or a 10-speed. You can get it any color and any wheel and just color combination you want for the same price as a Dark Horse with more power and pretty much the same handling. So for me, this is a no-brainer. Let me know what you guys think about this car in the comments down below. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, let me know. I personally like it. I think this is going to be a great buy for somebody that wants a lot of power for a reasonable amount of money from the factory. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and turn notifications on to miss a brand new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.